Hi, boys and girls. Today for Grammar Boost, we are doing page 66 in your Grammar Boost book. And it looks like this. It has pictures and text underneath of them. So I need you to get that out if you don't have it out yet. We are talking about was or were. So which one we should use. And remember, we talked about was is used when there's one noun, and were is used when there's two or more nouns. Okay, so was or were actually have something they are called. They are called linking verbs. Okay, so it's basically when there's not action, we use linking verbs instead. Okay, so was and were are linking verbs. Okay, and we're going to look at some more sentences and decide if we should use was or were. Remember, one noun was, two or more nouns were. Okay, all right, let's look at our Grammar Boost book. You're going to do this with me today. It says, it was splendid. Circle the correct sentence for each picture. So one of these sentences is correct and one of them is not. Okay? One of them uses was and were correctly and one of them doesn't. Okay? So let's look at this. Remember, if you don't remember the rule of was or were, you can always see what makes sense as well. Okay? So what sentence sounds right? All right, I'm going to read these sentences to us. We were happy to get 8 things in the mail on our special day. There's the first one. We was happy to get 8 things in the mail on our special day. Okay, so the noun is we, right? We. And if we have we, that means we have 2 or more, right? And we use were. Did you think that this one sounded better than this one? Yes, it does. So this is our correct sentence. We were happy to get 8 things in the mail on our special day. All right, let's look at the next one. The cloud were about to give us splendid rain. The cloud were about to give us splendid rain. The cloud was about to give us splendid rain. Okay, so the noun is cloud, something you can touch. Okay, and it looks like there's only one cloud. If there was more than one, we would have clouds, right? So we have one noun, so we're going to use was, this one. The cloud was about to give us splendid rain. That makes more sense than the cloud were about to give us splendid rain. All right, let's go on to the next one. The sail were helping the ship turn in the wind. Sail is our noun. The sail was helping the ship turn with the wind. Sail. And it looks like it's only one sail. They're pointing at one sail. So if we have one noun, we use was. The sail was helping the ship turn with the wind. That one makes sense. Okay? All right, now on your paper, up here, I want you to put one noun, was. Okay? 2 or more nouns, were. Okay, that's what you're going to write. So you can come back to it if you have a question about what it's supposed to be. We're going to do this one, and then you're going to do these 2 by yourself. Okay, so let's do this one together. She were going to pay for, then carry the bag. Oh, this needs a comma. She was going to pay for, then carry the bag. Okay, so she's buying the bag. She was going to pay for it, then carry it. So she is only one, right? So when we have one noun, we use was. She was going to pay for, then carry the bag. Okay, now you're going to do these two together. By yourself. These are the nouns. Okay, so do those together. I'm saying together again. I'm looking at two sentences. Do those on your own. Circle which one is the right one. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to find all of these and either circle or highlight.